Now, Dr. Alex Jahangir, the Metro Chair of the Coronavirus Task Force, is joining us. Dr. Jahangir, thanks so much for stopping by. Let's get right to it. Tomorrow's going to be a big day for Nashville, where 10,000 people will be vaccinated. Tell us, how will this mass vaccination help in our fight against the coronavirus?
Well, you know, our goal right now in this city is to get as many of our residents here in Nashville vaccinated. It's the best way to ensure that we'll have immunity so that we can open up the city quickly. On average in this city, we're doing 3,000 to 4,000 vaccinations in one day, and that's a really great number. So tomorrow we're offering 10,000 vaccines at this one location, this one event. But in addition to that, there'll be vaccinations at a Music City Center. There'll be vaccinations at a large church. There'll be vaccinations at a community center, plus whatever the hospital systems are doing. So I think tomorrow we'll probably have 13,000 to 14,000 vaccines placed in our arms, which is an amazing number, which will help us get to exactly where we want to be to reopen the city.
That is a huge number. And speaking about reopening the city, the mayor said he would ease restrictions if we got to 20% of first-time vaccinations in Davidson County. Now, we have surpassed that number and should be well over it by adding the 10,000 to 13,000 being vaccinated tomorrow. Now, having seen what's happening in other states, are you comfortable with easing restrictions?
Well, I think what the mayor announced, and I echo, is the 20% vaccination would trigger the Metro Public Health Department to start reviewing the situation on the ground over the next week. So far, we're doing really well in the city, right? Hospitalizations are way down, deaths are way down, cases are holding steady. So yeah, I think as we get more and more people vaccinated and all those metrics are staying stable, I think we are getting to a point where we should reopen in the phased manner that we've discussed. So yeah, I'm feeling more and more comfortable, and we'll see how health's evaluation over the next week goes.
A lot of people and businesses looking forward to that. Dr. Jahangir, thanks so much for taking some time to speak with us tonight.